Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Shaukat Iqbal and I am honored of being the Dean of School of Systems and Technology of this university, University of Management and Technology, from last 4 years. Currently at Schools of Systems and Technology, there are 3 departments: Department of Computer Science, Department of Software Engineering, Department of Informatics and Systems. The department offers graduate and undergraduate degree programs. The Department of Computer Science is offering 2 undergraduate programs, BS Computer Science and BS Data Science. It offers 2 MS programs, MS Computer Science and MS Data Science, and also a PhD program, PhD in Computer Science. In Department of Software Engineering, we are offering 1 BS program, BS Software Engineering, and now we have launched in fall 2020 BS Game Design and Development. The department is also offering MS Software Engineering. The third department, Department of Informatics and Systems, was previously offering only 2 programs, BS Information Technology and BS Artificial Intelligence. And now we are offering another program from fall 2020, which is BS Internet of Things. The department is also offering 2 MS programs, MS IT and MS Information Security. Understanding different dimensions of computing is a part of necessary skill set in 21st century. At SST, this skill set is graceful by encouraging students to deal with the fundamental nature of computation, what can and cannot be computed, and how efficiently a computation can be accomplished by a machine. We deliver to the students how to build computer systems, how to machine thinks, how to build computers that can see, how to design software that works seamlessly from different locations, how to model complex problems, and how to design more efficient computing algorithms. The school's research active faculty motivate undergraduate students to be involved in their research work and even avail opportunities to work alongside graduate students. The pace at which technology is evolving is ever increasing, and people are eager to grip it. Advancements in 5G technology providing more reliability, speed of downloads, and capacity. Before answering this question, I would like to let you know about the 3 digital ages. Things seems to be changing faster than ever, and life feels increasingly complex and fragmented. We could be at peak complexity, but I think that life will, in fact, soon simplify. We are currently at mid-phase between 2 eras, the pre-digital and post-digital age. In pre-digital age, devices had just one function. Media was physical. Technologies lived alongside and in parallel to each other, but rarely entangled. It may not have seemed like it is at the time, but in retrospect, life was simple. Progress was steady, but largely linear. Of course, things changed. We moved from VHS to DVDs, cassettes to CDs. Pre-digital age evolved slowly. Products became digitized, photos became bits, knowledge moved from encyclopedias to Wikipedia, the phone book became an online directory. Printed magazines became websites, physical products becoming digital. It led us to where we are now, the mid-digital age, where digital is just becoming accepted into the mainstream, and the age where digital is fully absorbed in our society. For example, to watch TV, I need to select the input device and then an app or channel, rather than just navigating. In the post-digital age, digital technology will be massive, noiseless element forming the seamless backbone of life. The internet will be a background utility. noticeable only in its absence. Smart homes will work, video will follow us around, content will be paid for, all seamlessly and effortlessly. We will no longer talk of TV versus online or mobile versus desktop. Retailers would not consider online versus physical. They will just celebrate sales. Advertising will work around people. Content would not care about national boundaries. People will be born truly digitally native. Parents would not feel as nervous as they currently do regarding their children during these technologies. Kids will unconsciously use them as their toys and continue to develop and nurture them. As they grow alongside technology, the opportunity is now with us. The advice is very simple. Prepare for prospects. Ensure that your business is socially prepared for what's to come. Consider boundaries. Be aware of the bleeding edge. Leave nothing off the table. Please remind yourself of how electricity changed business and society in the past. It did not really change the effect, but it totally changed the cause. Therefore, the digital age has a wide scope. You have heard of buzzwords: artificial intelligence, automation, big data, Internet of Things, and cloud. These are just some of the streams that come under the umbrella of digital age. The tech industry shifts its focus toward the emerging field of automation. We are highly keen to work on technologies which have a wide scope in future. Start of new degree programs in the field of artificial intelligence, game design and development, Internet of Things, and data science are the best illustration of our commitment to train the students with cutting-edge technologies. We are continuously enhancing the quality of teaching by having a sharp focus on faculty development and infrastructure advancements. The lab facilities offered to students are excellent. In accordance with cutting-edge technologies, we have a state-of-the-art IoT lab for training of students along with other computing labs. We are in the phase of establishing a high-performance computing lab. Our intent is to build the gap between the education offered and industrial requirements. The brand new programs are built to adopt with fast-paced industry. We strongly tie with business community and technological world, making students' future more secure and bright. I would say fields of computing and information technology are growing at exponential rate, have greatly influenced our lives. We are preparing future professionals. I invite all the potential youth to explore the exciting programs we are offering at our school. We are sure to help you train with the latest technologies and skills to face the challenges and create the world of tomorrow.